From guarding buildings to growing food, a former security guard is now harvesting not just vegetables, but a new life through farming. Let's get to know him in this report by Mobile Journal, Daniel Dayao.
A former security guard inspires many online after rewriting his future through agriculture. Following 2 decades on duty, Archie Owano stands today on half a hectare of land in Pampanga, tending 1,400 vegetable crops of ampalaya, sitaw, pepino, kamatis, and talong, all managed by himself. But before harvest came the hardship.
So marami akong dinudutihan. So hanggang sa umabot ako sa 15 years to 20 years na naging security guard. Dumadami yung uniforme ko, dumadami yung payslip ko, pero walang nangyaring ipon. Yung sweldo ko ngayon, pagkakasyahin ko hanggang sunod sweldo, pag naubos o utang sa Angla ATM, dumating sa punto na yung PIN code ng ATM ko, hindi ko nakabisado eh.
Originally from Davao de Oro, Archie moved to Manila in search of stability. When a farming program opened in Pampanga, he took the risk, not to quit work, but to find extra income.
Doon sa lugar na tinirhan namin, kung saan kami nakakuha ng bahay, ay nagkaroon doon ng programa na yung lupa na bakante ay dinevelop as farming. Nagkaroon ako ng konting interest kasi nakita ko na sa lupa ay may chance ka palang pwedeng kumita. Ang iniisip ko, hanggang ilang taon na akong ganito, paano pag nag-aaral na itong mga anak ko, nag-uliyo ako, hindi enough itong sahod ko ng ganito.
However, the first harvest was a loss. Out of 29 farmers, he was left alone to continue, with no guarantee, just self-study, trial, and error. His years of practice then led to grossing 6 figures in a cropping season. According to agriculturist Ron, with the right persistence like Archie, agriculture remains sustainable.
Actually, napaka-realistic nito, pero ang magandang malaman ng karamihan is hindi ito instant. Kailangan nating maging familiar sa management practices. Hindi sapat ang sipag lang, kailangan rin natin ng diskarte, yung timing ng pagtatanim. Kung planting season ba nung itatanim nating crops. And pangalawa na rin yung variety na itatanim natin.
As the average age of Filipino farmers now ranges from 53 to 59 years old, Archie proves it's not too late to start. As trainings and technical support from the government, LGUs, and state universities continue.
Talagang may pera ang lupa. Basta alam mo lang i-manage, hindi kailangan malaking puhunan. Hindi kailangan malaking lupa. Ang kailangan puhunan dito, kalaman. Manunood ka ng about farming and then itry mong magtanim. Sa paso nga sa bahay, pwede kang magtanim eh.
Archie's story reminds us that agriculture is not a last option. It is a future that can be grown. Kapatid Mobile Journal, Daniel Dayao, we are One News.